Magnificent chefs, welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to make a delicious pasta and veggie recipe, roasted Brussels sprouts with orecchiette pasta. What I used to prepare this dish was some Brussels sprouts, orecchiette pasta, Parmesan cheese, green onions, cream cheese, butter, olive oil, and good old salt and pepper. With that said, let's get cooking. Start off by prepping your vegetables. Dice up the green onions, then remove the dirty outer leaves of the Brussels sprouts and cut them in half through the root stem. But be sure to keep the root stem intact because it will help keep the leaves together from falling apart. Add the Brussels to a bowl, drizzle on a little olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and give that a good mix. Then transfer to a baking sheet because we're going to roast the sprouts for 40 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the sprouts are roasting, it's time to cook the pasta. Bring the water to the boil, season well with salt, and boil the pasta according to the instructions on the pasta package or to your desired doneness. Then, in a separate small frying pan, add some cubes of butter. Once the butter melts, add the green onions and saute them until they're done. Then, add a ladleful or a cup of the pasta water to the skillet so the starch can help thicken the sauce a bit. Once the pasta is done, drain the water and add the roasted Brussels sprouts to the pasta once they're done roasting. Give it a stir to incorporate the Brussels with the pasta, and then add the cooked green onions and the sauce to the pasta with the Brussels sprouts. Look at all this buttery goodness. Give that a good stir. Make sure everything else is incorporated so the flavors can marry together. And then we're going to add the cream cheese. Once the cream cheese has been added to the party, stir that around until everything is fully incorporated throughout. Then add the mixture to a plate or a bowl, sprinkle on some parsley, and then bust out a cheese grater, or here I'm using a vegetable peeler, and add some shaved Parmesan. Finally, tuck in and enjoy. Please let me know what you think. If you made this dish, did you tweak the recipe at all? Do you have any suggestions to improve upon it? Is there anything you would do differently? I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support. You were all too kind. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!